are you all doing? So it's Saturday afternoon, evening, and then we are at my mother-in-law and father-in-law's place, and then we're gonna have some fondue. It's Swiss speciality, and here is my mother-in-law. Hi, Nani. Hi, hello. So she's actually preparing the fondue. It's actually cheese, people. It's like you cook it until it melts, and then you eat it with bread. That's the bread already prepared, and I think these are olive bread.
Yeah, with olive, tomato or normal. There is the...
And she has more stuff. And we have some apples with cheese. Is super fine. Hi, Happy.
Hi, how are you?
That's my father-in-law.
Preparing good meal.
Yes. And then we have some spaghetti. And what else? On the table, you all already prepared for the dinner. I think it's a quite special dish. It's either you like it or you don't. If you don't love cheese, you might not like it, but I love it and I find it super, super delicious. And my kids are very, very loud. They are super loud. They're playing on the other side, but yeah, that's how loud they are. So can you imagine an African, a Gambian who has no idea of how cheese is like now an expert in cooking cheese and preparing cheese dishes and all that. So Nani, ich mache das dann.
Okay.
Gut. Listen and video.
Thank you. It's a little bit strong.
Yeah, it stinks too. But deliciously, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'll take over.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so look at us. Yeah, you know, you need to like stir and stir and stir until it totally melts and starts cooking, and that's when you actually put it on a table and eat it with the rest of the stuff that are already ready or things that she already prepared. So the fondue is done, and if the ones that actually know fondue, you know it's done with wine and all that. But because I don't drink alcohol, my family are very nice to use the apple juice to actually do the mixture. So that's quite appreciated from their side, to always have me in their thoughts that I don't drink, eat pork and all that. So I'm super grateful and happy that they actually think of me every time they do a meal. So Shatzili comes to us. So that's the fondue. It's all ready. This has to go out.
Nein, du hast gesagt, kannst du die Lampen abstellen.
So.
Mami, du hast gesagt, kannst du die Lampen abstellen.
So. Gut.
Ich hätte dir jetzt sogar gedacht, schau Sophie, du musst immer so machen, das hat der Grosspapi uns gelehrt, immer da über den Rand runter und dann geht es nicht runter. Dann ist es ganz gut aufgestopft, siehst du? Und dann geht es nicht runter. Ich will dir schnell helfen, nachher kannst du drüllen. Schau jetzt.
This is how
So,
you
und jetzt tust du
do it.
drüllen und blasen. Komm, jetzt tust du drüllen und blasen.
And that's my plate. I'm gonna start with my apple, and then
Marco, kannst du das Brot sonst dort
in
hinten
the
schauen?
cheese.
Dort rauf, kannst du einfach da rutschen, gut.
Jesus, du von einer Jungfrau geborene, hilf
So.
samt dem Vater und dem Sohn.
So hi everyone, it's late now. We're going home. The kids need to go to bed and we're tired as well, but the evening was great. The food was good to watching. Good evening.